Everyone, it is June 17th, class number 9 for KIT Iizuka, second period. This will also be the recording for fourth period because it's the same content. Today, basically, we'll just be trying to continue with your fluency exercises and your homework. You don't have a lot that's very different from what we did before. Don't forget to check your Chapter 7 answers for homework number 1, and then your homework submission number 5 for the second part of chapter number 7. You also have a reflection that's due tonight. The homework is due on June 20th. So please don't forget that, and the reflection is due tonight. So there isn't a lot here. From next week, you're going to be doing, again, more quizzes, reading quizzes, listening quizzes, a grammar quiz. And through the last part of the term, we'll be working on your speaking skill. As we have more time, I'll be explaining to you how that's going to be part of your test too. I also wanted to show you the results of the, the results of the midterm test. You did very well, actually, almost too well. I was very surprised. 8 people were able to do between 95 and 100%. So a lot of people did very, very well. A few people did not do very well, and you came all the way down to about 68, 65%, not so good. But most everyone, I think that was only one person who got 68%, but most everyone was able to get a passing grade at least. Okay, I'll explain more about this when it's time for the final test, but for the final test, it'll be a little bit more difficult. There will be more content. You'll have the content from chapter 7 and 11, and you'll also probably have a little bit of listening work that you have to do here. So what I want you to take note of is that in the final test, you want to do that. I want to do this. Okay. In the final test, okay, I want you to make sure you bring headphones or earphones, or if you have them, your earpods, because there will be a listening quiz, and we will be here in this room. So right there where it says bring your own laptop computer and your earphones or your headsets. I'll be explaining that. There's plenty of time until August 5th, but you will need that for the final test. Okay. If you have any questions, please remember, you can contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. And if you have any questions at the end of this class, you can certainly come and talk to me here after the class is finished. Okay. So let's get back to work with what we need to do.